Green roofs and cool roofs. Roofing plays a key role in building energy efficiency by affecting heat exchange. Green roofs and cool roofs are two innovative options that help reduce the impact of the sun's heat. Green roofs covered with vegetation provide natural insulation, keeping buildings cooler in summer and warmer in winter. These living roofs also support urban environments by enhancing biodiversity and reducing the urban heat island effect, where city temperatures rise due to concrete and asphalt. Cool roofs, in contrast, use highly reflective materials to deflect sunlight and absorb less heat. By reflecting solar radiation, these roofs lower indoor temperatures and reduce the need for air conditioning, making them especially effective in warm climates. Simple and versatile, cool roofs can be applied to both new and existing buildings, offering a cost-effective solution for energy efficiency. Both roof types lead to energy savings during extreme weather. Green roofs insulate, cutting heating and cooling costs, while cool roofs reduce heat buildup, lessening the demand for air conditioning. These savings are particularly valuable in urban areas where energy use drives pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, green roofs extend roof lifespans by protecting materials from harsh weather. Beyond energy efficiency, green roofs offer ecological benefits. They absorb rainwater, cut stormwater runoff, and improve air quality by filtering pollutants. While cool roofs may not have the same ecological impact, they still help reduce energy demand and lower carbon footprints. Whether through lush vegetation or reflective surfaces, green and cool roofs play a crucial role in building a more sustainable future.